Good morning, this is Nelson Cabanag, and I have here all the empowered consumerism products. We have here the EOP Glow right here, which is good. It is a premium microground collagen coffee mix, 30,000 milligram of collagen. We have here the eye glow serum, hydrogenized collagen peptide, and right here is the other one. It's a barley glow, organic green barley plus bio-fermented hydrolyzed collagen peptide with honey lemon flavor. Together with the other one is also from Empowered Consumerism. It's a bio-fermented hydrolyzed collagen peptide, 6,000 milligram to 30,000 milligram collagen. Right here is Angel E. And we have here the deep cleaning whitening bar. So if you want to avail of these products, please contact me and PM me. Direct message me, Nelson A. Cabanag. We have here the Choco Hawk Glow, and the barley glow, and the ism, and the restore lip, and here is the C24/7. C24/7 is a natural nutraceuticals round the clock nutritional. Alright, and if you want to have a natural essentials herbal toothpaste, ang toothpaste na may complete Pepto Energizer, right? And here is the C Supreme. It's guaranteed C Supreme. Okay. Anything else? Gusto niyo pong mag-avail ng mga products na to, please contact or direct message me. It is from Empowered Consumerism, and it is guaranteed, and it is available now. If you are interested, please PM me, Nelson A. Cabanag. Alright? Till next time, salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Bye.